Hi there, Debbie here. I'm just today going to walk you through the back office of Digital Wealth Pros and just show you all the things that you have access to as a member of Digital Wealth Pros, and you know what's at your fingertips. So this is your back office. This is where you're going to come right when you sign into the system. These are the capture pages that we have available. They'll already be set up for you. Everything's already done. All you do is view the pages, see what your personal style is, what you like, and what resonates with you. I always recommend try each one. Try each one and see which one works best for you and your business. Now, I also have, you don't see much activity here on mine, and the reason why is I also have another source for capture pages because I have multiple businesses. And so, right now, for a good long period of time, I've been using an outside source. So you're able to do that as well. If you have an outside source for a capture page, you are able to use it with Digital Wealth Pros. You do not have to use the ones that they have available here, but they are here. And, especially those that are beginning and this is your only stream of income, or you've never done anything like this before, it is an awesome thing that these are already done for you. All you do is hit copy link here, and you're going to be able to put that link anywhere you want in order to capture your leads and any lead source as far as that goes too. You can also post them on social media. You can connect them to a domain if you choose. It's not mandatory, but I recommend it. It's very, very inexpensive to do, and you can connect that to a domain name. This over here is how you navigate around your dashboard. The getting started is always a good place to start, where you have access to everything. I always recommend going through this quick start guide. It's just a simple 3-step system, very simple to do. I recommend starting out there and just following it step by step. Super easy. We have a shout out section where we talk about our top earners, a message area for messages from the company, customer area where we keep we keep track. This is where you would pick which system you're going to use to keep track of your leads. And like I said, if you already have one, you can use that one. If not, you can just use our Digital Wealth Pros, which is a good place to start, especially if you're brand new to any businesses. And then your lead tab where you keep track of your leads, your members, people that have signed up under you, your products. This is what most people like to take a look at. This is the bronze level, the beginning level. If you come in on that level, of course, once you're a member, you're always a member. There's no monthly fees. It's just the price of the bronze level package. And this might not look like a lot, but there is a lot of information in each one of these sections. Okay. So, yeah. And this is especially good for, I recommend, anybody that has not had a business before, anybody that's new to digital marketing or new to this type of business, especially these are going to be very, very valuable for you, this training. The gold level products, again, you get a little bit more here and you get the previous level as well. And so you get, each time you go up, you get every level underneath as well. And these are just very, very valuable information. And each one of these video series through what you need to know for list building. This is list building. And so yes, that is an awesome, awesome thing here. So we're going to go back. And then again, platinum level, you get even more detailed information, and this gets more advanced into the business. You've got your paid traffic sources here, and of course, you get all of the previous levels as well. Okay, and then we have, your member resources, which is we have postcards They're already done for you. If that's something that interests you and you would like to go ahead and mail out some postcards for advertising your business, you are able to just insert, you click postcard order form here, and you just would edit a couple of things here to put your personal information on, and then that's it. We have autoresponder letters already done for you. You can edit them if you have another business you would like to use them for. And then our highly converted ad campaigns, if you'd like solo ad campaigns. Again, step-by-step instructions to follow it. This is a wonderful, wonderful thing for web traffic here. I recommend these. These are for people that they're different depending on what type of business that you have. And these are sources that we've used, that a lot of people have used, and we have a lot of experience with and trust. Now, of course, there are other ones within that you have access to as well, and all different price points. So anyone can use these traffic sources. So there you go. That would be it. That is our back office. It's super, super simple. Everything is right here for you. It is a wonderful system. I can't say enough good things because you, like I said, it's just plug and play. It's easy for beginners all the way up to professionals. And all you do is send traffic to your capture page, and there you go. Of course, you're able to use all the other online marketing type, organic traffic if you choose to do that, but it's good to know that you don't have to if you don't want to. And of course, everything takes a little bit of time to get going, but I am loving seeing the success that people are having with this. So if you want to reach out to me personally, go right ahead. I'm free to answer any questions, but I do encourage everyone to access that 1-800 number. Those people in the call center, they are there answering questions every day. That is what they're there for. They have seen everything from one end of this system to the next, and they are professionals at it and can really, really help you to know if this is going to be a good thing for you or not. Not that I mind you reaching out to me. I'm always here, but I do think that 1-800 number is just a wonderful resource, and don't hesitate to take advantage of it. So I'm glad you're here, and I hope to get in contact with you very soon. I hope to do business with you and watch what you can do. So welcome. Talk to you soon.